Test tayo ng unit. Shoutout kay Sir Benz. So ang unit na test natin, i-out natin is the Poseidon XQ4 Medusa. So ano lang tayo, quick review lang tayo. Metal yung front assembly, key mod. Naka-Loudiner siya. Front and rear sight may kasama na. Folding sights. Metal yung charging handle. And then yung receiver niya is polymer, high grade polymer with XQ4 markings. Then yan, Poseidon XCSI. And then naka flat trigger na siya or speed trigger. Etong selector niya is ambi. And then polymer yung grip. So yung stock niya is naka PDW stock siya. And then dun sa battery spacing niya, ang kasya is 2.2 maximum. 2.2 na storm power. And then ito fully adjustable to. 3-point adjustment or position. So kasama dun sa box is yung magazine at saka yung unit. And then naka built-in tracer to, no? So may built-in tracer na rin siya. Ayun, nakikita niyo yung wire. Yun na yun. Okay? So test natin. So naka ano siya, naka ETU siya guys ha. Price is 15K. Again, shoutout kay Sir Benz. Testing. 450 out of the box ah. Okay. Wala na. So 450 FPS out of the box. And nakalimutan ko pala, yung magazine niya pala is sa mid-cap magazine, 120 rounds. P-mag. Yan. So check nyo na lang sa Google Drive namin yung mga iba't ibang klase ng Poseidon units.